Hello. Today we are looking at how to install LibreCAD on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the developers section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install LibreCAD. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will update the software sources of the Linux apps. Now we will install LibreCAD with the next command. Press Enter to confirm the installation. LibreCAD is now installed. We will launch it now. Enjoy LibreCAD.